guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. Today is going to be a 1 hour cleaning. It is nap time in my house and my oldest is at preschool, so I'm going to try to focus mainly just on my kitchen. Right here I'm kind of showing you a little bit of the mess. It may not look messy on camera, but in real life there is seasoning all over the counters, there's stuff on the floor. My husband makes his coffee every morning, so there's coffee grounds all over the place. It's usually all over the floor also. And I just kind of wanted to really just focus in this area because this is like the biggest place that we walk around all the time. We come in through the garage, we're in here cooking, we're getting the kids food. So I really need to just get this cleaned before Chloe wakes up. If you are new here, I apologize if this is your first video that you're watching. I have been sick for the last 2.5 weeks, I think, and as my throat is not hurting anymore, my voice is completely disappearing. So I am trying to speak as loud as I can without it cracking and me having a coughing fit while I do this voiceover. So I apologize about my funny voice. It amazes me how clean this fridge can get when I use that stainless steel cleaner. Like, honestly, my fridge didn't look that dirty, but it did have a few water spots on it. But after I sprayed that stuff and scrubbed it, it was like the shiniest thing I've ever seen in my life. If you are new here, I just want to say a welcome and please comment down below. I love commenting back to everybody. I love engaging and interacting. So comment down below and say hi. And there is a ton of content that I want to do here coming up. I have a master bedroom, a master closet, and my bathroom that I am all working on. It's taken a while because I do have 2 kids. I get sick and life happens, so I am in the middle of redoing all 3 of those things, so look forward to those. And then I do have a Q&A coming up at the end of this month. I was going to do it this week, but as you can tell, I don't want to do a video with a lot of talking and a voiceover if I sound like this, so I'm trying to wait till my voice comes back so I can answer all those questions for you guys. Also, I was thinking of doing a cleaning video where my husband does the voiceover. Would you guys be interested in seeing something like that? I got the idea from my friend Amy Fritz. I will link her channel down below. We were talking one day and she just mentioned that she would like to do a video like that. And I thought that was such a great idea, especially if I sound like this. This would probably be a good time to do that type of video. One thing that drives me insane about this kitchen is that the cabinets are super low. They're not even the average height of where kitchen cabinets need to be when you build a kitchen. We actually raised the cabinets over where the coffee bar is, and we just never raised the other ones, and then we did the backsplash. It was kind of like too late to go ahead and raise them because then we would have to add another row of subway tile. But this is why my mixer is like off to the side here. It bothers me, but then it doesn't bother me. But I kind of wish there was a different spot I can put it out on the counter without it being just in the middle of everywhere. But at the same time, I don't want to put it in my cupboard or in a cabinet because then I'm afraid I would never use it. And here's some real life realisticness. I have been dying to get this thing cleaned up and kind of put in storage. We haven't decided if we're going to sell it yet or give it to my husband's brother, but Chloe's finally done with it. She's not on formula anymore, but this thing has been sitting on my countertop being ready to be cleaned and put away for at least a week now. I actually did a cleaning video where I think I filmed where I kind of put it off to the side but never actually cleaned the thing. If you have made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I really enjoy making these, but comment down below and let me know, when you watch cleaning videos, do you like relaxing songs that are kind of like slower, or do you like more upbeat songs? I tend to put more upbeat songs because when I clean, like, I'm just like ready to go, but if you guys want more relaxing songs, I'm up for that too. Just comment down below and let me know, what do you guys prefer? We normally keep all of our medicine in our bathroom in a cupboard, like box area, but I do have a small little bin in the cabinet right here, just kind of the things that we take every day with our vitamins. So I decided to reorganize it because we had the bin on the second shelf, but all of our medicine had somehow made it to the first shelf. So I was kind of reorganizing so we could use that bin again and keep it more organized. What I'm using on the floor is the Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner. I don't know, I'm kind of like in between. Like, I like it, but it's not my absolute favorite. The scent, I can't even remember what the scent is, but it isn't probably my most favorite scent. They do have a lot of other ones, but the place that I bought it at only had two choices, and it was the scent that I had or either lavender, and I'm not a lavender type of gal, so it does a really good job though. I really like it.
Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
I am cleaning this window and my back door. I honestly don't know why I take the time to do it. It doesn't take much time, but my dogs just sit there and they put their noses on it and then they sneeze on it, and as you can tell, I will clean this and I will let them outside probably in about 5 minutes and it's completely dirty all over again. Well, there you have it. I am completely done. Chloe is about to wake up. She's stirring, so I am not going to be able to put the stuff for Goodwill in the car. I'll probably just do that here in a little while when she's already awake. My husband should be home soon for lunch, so I'll just do that when he sits here with the kids. But I got the floor clean, that floor clean. This was my biggest thing. I got this cleaned. Now I either have to sell it on Facebook Market or we are going to ship it to his brother because he's having a baby. but it feels so much nicer. In an ideal world, I would love to not have a whole bunch of crap on my countertops, but this is realistic, and I always use this as my desk. I have all my stuff up here all the time. It's just not realistic to not have stuff on your countertops. But that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification button because I upload twice a week. Once in a while, I do 3 times a week if I have a bonus video. And right now I am uploading Mondays and Wednesdays, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna change that to like Monday and Thursday. Comment down below, what days do you guys watch YouTube? I feel like everybody uploads Monday, and I kind of feel like there's just so many videos out there on Monday that it's hard for people to get around to all of them. So I'm just contemplating. I don't know if I want to do Monday or what. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.